Rural Development Minister Jairam Ramesh has spoken to Times Now after the deadly Maoist attack, and he has said the need of the hour is a two-pronged approach of security and development. Speaking on KPS Gill's claim that he was asked to sit back and relax by politicians, Jairam says he's not surprised.
Jairam, do you think there is a need to revisit the position of the Congress and the government after the gruesome attack on Saturday?
Well, this was certainly a deliberate carnage aimed at the Congress party. It was aimed at democracy. Certainly, the primary target was the Congress party. There are forces that don't want the Congress to be strong in these areas because it's the Congress party that is taking the message of political engagement. It's the Congress party that is taking the message of development, tribal-oriented development through our flagship programs. And clearly, there are forces which are uncomfortable with this and don't want the Congress's strategy to succeed. But I think we need to persevere. We need to continue with this approach. We need to deepen political engagement in these areas. We need to strengthen the implementation of development programs, Forest Rights Act, rural roads, Mahatma Gandhi Narega, Indira Awas Yojana, women's livelihoods, skill-based training for youth. But at the same time, we have to recognize that without a proper security environment, we can neither do politics nor do development, particularly in areas like southern Chhattisgarh, in this area of Bastar, which is Kanker, Narayanpur, Bijapur, Sukma, Dantewada, where I have traveled extensively, repeatedly. There are large areas which are liberated zones, 6,000, 10,000 square kilometers, where the BDO cannot go, the Sarpanch cannot go, the state government doesn't have a presence, the central government doesn't have a presence. In fact, in Narayanpur, it's only the Ramakrishna Mission, which is providing a modicum of development services. So we need tough police and security operations. We need deeper political engagement. We need more sensitive, more effective implementation of development programs and laws. And this is our strategy, and we have to continue with this strategy. I'm not surprised. With great fanfare, Mr. Gill was appointed, and all my, some of my friends in the BJP were all very agog with excitement. Here is the hero of the Lion of Punjab, as he was called, is now going to shake up things in Chhattisgarh, But I'm not surprised because, look, Andhra Pradesh is one state that has shown toughness in dealing with Maoism. It's taken 30 years, but Andhra combined resolute political action, sensitive development interventions, and very, very effective security operations through the Greyhounds. It's taken 30 years, but I don't see the local police in Orissa, the local police in Jharkhand, the local police in Chhattisgarh, the same degree of leadership, the same degree of toughness and firmness which was demonstrated in Andhra.